How do you feel about that kind of kid?
I don't care.
Bagus.
Aku nggak terlalu peduli.
Yo Lisben bersama my twin
Aska.
Corbuzier.
Hello.
First question. At what point, lu lebih nyaman bahasa Inggris atau bahasa Indo?
Dua-duanya aja nggak apa-apa.
At what point do you realize, what age did you realize that your dad is ridiculously famous? And how did that affect you growing up?
Kayaknya waktu di sekolah, when I was in like middle school, kayaknya year 1 atau mungkin kayak gitu. Karena waktu di kindergarten dan di reception kan siapa yang peduli? Kita kayak 6 tahun and everything, who cares, right?
Yeah.
Tapi when I went to school, orang-orang udah tahu aku sebelum itu.
Oh, okay.
And I was like, how do these people know me? Kok mereka udah tahu aku?
Yeah.
Ya kan? And then I realized itu karena papa aku.
Oh.
And then after that, kalau ke mall atau apa, orang-orang mau foto sama papa, I'm like, kenapa ini?
Ngapain foto sama papa?
Foto sama, you know? I'm like, why? Terus I figured out, he's famous. Terus, and then here I am.
And how does that affect you? Apakah jadi, oh my dad is famous kayak gitu? Atau biasa aja?
Kayaknya, because I was in a private school, no one really cared.
Because
too
everyone's
much.
parents are famous.
Not really.
Not really. Okay.
Cuman karena when I was in private school, I started masih lumayan young kan.
Yeah.
So no one cared that much at that time, ya kan? So when I went in, people were like, "Oh yeah, I know this person," tapi nggak peduli.
Oh, okay.
Gitu. So like I didn't really care.
Okay.
Tapi does it affect me? Obviously, yeah. Because if I go out and then everything I do, people will notice. Orang-orang akan tahu. Tapi will I change it? No. I like being like this.
Being
I'm
like
happy.
this. Okay, you're a self-proclaimed introvert.
Am I?
I think you said that.
Did I?
You did in the podcast.
Oh, yeah, kayaknya yeah.
No, do you think you are?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Oh,
how do you find an energy to do podcast?
Oh, I have no energy. No energy at all. It's over. Now, like, being here right now, I'm tired.
I'm sorry.
I'm kidding. Enggak. Kayaknya introversion itu sedikit beda from what other people think.
Yeah.
Karena introvert bukan maksudnya aku nggak bisa lakukan ini. Karena kalau aku nggak bisa lakukan itu, it means like I'm anxious atau antisocial atau apa. Introvert cuma maksudnya kalau aku butuh rest, butuh energy, ya aku sendirian. Extrovert kalau mereka butuh rest, mereka bisa ke club,
gitu ya?
nongkrong sama teman-teman, aku nggak bisa. So, for example, kan setelah ini I have another podcast, ya kan? I'll be fine, I have energy, nggak apa-apa. Tapi setelah itu, I have to go home, I have to be alone. Kayak gitu. And it's not always like that. Kalau aku punya temen atau kalau aku punya kayak a girlfriend atau siapa, and I really care about them, my energy nggak dipakai.
You know? Okay. Karena enjoy ya.
Because it's fun.
Enjoy, fun aja.
Like for example, this podcast that we did together, I didn't use that much energy.
Okay.
Ya kan? Karena it's fun, kita ngomongnya gampang. Like, do I still use energy? Yes, of course. Karena kan ada kamera, ada semuanya. Tapi not that much. Kalau sometimes aku diundang kemana atau bla bla bla, dan aku beneran harus kerja, you know, I have to talk, I have to whatever, itu susah. Itu take my energy.
Oh, kalau kerjaan beneran ya? Okay. So how would you describe yourself? What kind of your personality? Or kalau misalnya kan your dad is literally the biggest podcast in Indonesia. How would you describe yourself?
Oh, I don't know.
That's everything.
I'm just some kid.
Just some kid.
Just chilling.
Yeah, I think the energy is good karena kayak lu ngerasa enjoy dengan yang lu lakuin dan nggak ngerasa terbebani atau overshadowed kayak sama apa yang dia kerjain.
I mean, I get like pressure. Obviously.
Pasti ya.
Tapi itu udah pasti ya kan. Pressure mah pasti. Tapi kayak if people ask like, oh, what do you know, like, what do you see yourself as? Atau kayak next time mau lakukan apa? I'm like, I'm just here, man. You know. Aku cuman, I'll do what I want.
I'm just a guy doing stuff.
Just a guy doing stuff. I am lucky enough to say that.
Okay.
You know.
Yeah.
Like, I'm lucky enough aku bisa ngomong kayak, oh kamu mau jadi apa? Aku bisa bilang, oh I don't know, I'm chilling.
Okay.
See, that's a privilege.
Yeah, it
Karena
is.
It is a privilege.
Yeah,
right?
like you're privileged, tapi
I know,
kayak ya udah
privilege.
nggak
Yeah,
apa-apa
like,
gitu.
But
And it's not wrong to be privileged.
yeah, and like some people, kalau mereka ditanya harus bilang kayak, oh I want to be this, I have to be this. Tapi for me, because I'm lucky,
Yeah.
I have the chance to be like, oh I don't know yet. Aku cuman chilling aja. Kayak gitu.
Have you spoken to bocah perintis?
Which one again is that?
Yang bocah perintis yang umur 10 tahun terus ngasih motivasi cara mendapatkan 100 juta sebelum umur 8 tahun yang kayak gitu-gitu.
Oh, I think I have once.
Yeah, you have met him.
Pernah, I think so.
But you have no idea who this kid is.
Mungkin kalau nama benerannya mungkin tahu, tapi
Ryu.
Oh, I think so.
Yeah, you met him.
I think so.
Okay. Have you seen his videos?
Give me an example.
Jadi dia kayak bilang yang terkenal adalah lebih enak jadi perintis daripada pewaris. Itu dijadiin beatnya Danny Beller.
Okay.
Jadi perintis. Jadi kalau jadi perintis tuh kita berjuang dari awal gitu.
Okay.
Padahal dia pas nunjukin, oh Imlek kan dapat iPhone, dapat apa, yang gitu-gitu.
Yeah.
So you have no
I
idea.
know him.
Okay.
Aku tahu dia. Yeah.
How do you feel about that kind of kid?
I don't care.
Bagus.
Aku nggak terlalu peduli. Here's the thing, right? Sometimes things like that can affect people.
Yeah.
Because kalau aku bilang, oh everything here itu my own work, ya kan? Podcast ini sendirian, blah 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 sendirian. It's not true.
I know.
Gak benar.
Oh, betul.
Because my dad helped me, my crew helped me. Ada banyak orang yang tolongin aku. Now, the thing is, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah.
If you have privilege, if you have a family that helps you, that's fine. Tapi you can't say, oh, aku ini independent, aku sendiri melakukan ini.
It's just common sense.
You can't do that. If you want to say it, then like, man, you do you, I don't care. Tapi just know that orang-orang akan lihat itu, terus either hate, atau ya udah, like me, I don't care, it's fine, or mereka akan sedih karena mereka pikir, oh, kok aku juga lakukan ini, kok aku nggak bisa?
Okay.
Because they don't know that you are actually privileged.
You are privileged, yeah.
Kan? Mereka lakukan semua hal yang sama kecuali nggak punya orang tua yang kaya.
Yeah.
And then they can't do the same thing as you. Now, that's I don't really care.
Okay.
Again, okay, like you do you. It's fine. I'm not judged by that. But just know that if you're an influencer, you're responsible for how people like feel when they watch your videos. Right?
Yeah.
Like if you want people to hate you, then you have to be responsible of people that hates you. If you want people to love you, then you have to be responsible of that, right?
Yeah.
Kayak and it goes either way. Kayak kalau someone really nice terus mereka bikin orang-orang kayak become even more nice. That's a good thing, you have to be responsible about that. Kayak gitu. So yeah.
Okay, so we've reached the end of the segment karena Aska abis ini mau ada podcast. I need some rest. You've done berapa martial arts?
Like 7, I think.
7. Give me your top 3 favorite and why.
Boxing. It was one of my first martial arts. Easiest to learn, very hard to master.
Oh iya, bener ya. Sebenarnya tekniknya cuma ada 6.
Tekniknya gampang banget, tapi untuk masternya benerannya susah.
Hook,
Kayak gitu. That's my favorite. And then right now, this is a new one that I'm learning, capoeira.
Whoa.
Capoeira, I'm liking capoeira.
You're shitting me.
Yeah, I like capoeira. I'm liking capoeira right now.
Like how good is your capoeira?
Oh, not very good. Gak terlalu bagus. Not right now. Tapi I still really like it. And then my third one apa ya? If I have to choose apa ya?
Man, capoeira is so cool, but the way it doesn't seem very practical in real life.
No. Okay, you know what? For a practical one, BJJ.
Oh, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu.
Untuk practicality. Itu, a lot of people say that it's not practical.
BJJ is your favorite?
No, well, I can't really choose.
You can't really choose.
Tapi untuk sekarang BJJ.
Yeah.
Karena Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, a lot of people think that it's stupid, and a lot of people think that it's not going to work. It will work.
Because Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu practice seems very, very intimate.
It looks very gay. Tapi,
It looks very gay.
Yeah, it's fine. And there's nothing wrong with that, you
Yeah.
know. Tapi the thing is, people will be like, oh, kalau in the street nggak akan, you can't do that.
Yeah, yeah.
Kalau lawan lebih dari satu orang, you can't do that. Yeah, no shit. Okay, like, well, if you're fighting 5 people, run away.
Yeah,
Ya
yeah.
kan?
Yeah, it is.
Kenapa
gitu aja,
lawan,
yeah.
you know? This is the thing is we're thinking about fighting one guy.
Yeah, yeah.
Ya kan? If you're thinking about fighting one guy, you know BJJ, he doesn't.
Yeah.
You put him on the ground, he loses.
Oh.
Kayak gitu, udah.
Yeah, it's
Karena-
called self-defense.
It's called self-defense. There's so many times I've met someone
Yeah.
yang kayak, oh, I'm so good at boxing. Oh, I'm so good at kicking. Blah blah blah. Okay, yaudah, I fight him. I put him to the ground. They don't know anything about BJJ.
Oh.
Udah kalah. Thing is, I'm not that good at BJJ. Tapi I know enough untuk kalahin orang.
Kalau udah di ground.
Kalau udah di ground.
Okay, nice. After this, I'm gonna do some BJJ with him. Okay. Thank you so much, Aska.
Thank you.
Thank you.